What's good, fam? So today I'm just gonna be working on the LS400 again today. Since I lowered the fronts a lot, my cats or basically my exhaust is touching the ground, and so if I try to drive it, then it's just gonna be this unpleasant scraping noise that I don't really want. But I'm gonna try. I don't see me unbolting the exhaust, so I'm gonna just cut that joint, and I'm gonna also try to get my stock toe arms out because I was having problems trying to take it out like the first time. So I actually got one side out that I've been working on for forever. I've tried different types of methods. I've tried doing the ball joint puller. I've tried hammering it, but honestly, if you want to get it out, I suggest having two people with you. And I basically just use this pickle fork. This pickle fork I got from Harbor Freight, and I just hammered it into this ball joint right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, the one that's separated right now. I hammered it in between that, and while the pickle fork was in between here, I had my girl to push on it that way, towards that way, while I hammer it on this little breaking point right here, this little edge right here, with the 4-pound sledgehammer. And alright, what's good, fam? So now, since I got the toe arms installed, part 2 of today's video will consist of me sawing off the exhaust. So like I said earlier in the video, my cats or my exhaust is touching the ground, or it's not touching the ground, but it's like a tip hair away from the ground. So I really don't want to unbolt it. I don't want to go through all that, so I'm gonna just that goes up, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we was able to cut off the exhaust pretty quickly with the Harbor Freight Bauer sawzall, whatever you want to call it, reciprocating saw. So now we're gonna turn it on, you know what I'm saying? So what I basically did was I cut the tailpipes, the rear mufflers, the mid pipe, or the middle muffler, whatever you want to call it. So all that's basically left is the cat. The cat is still almost an inch off the ground, but there's nothing really I can do about that. The reason why there's nothing really I can do about it is just because if I unplug the O2 sensor, my engine light's gonna come on, and I don't want my engine light coming on because fuck that. So I'm gonna have to go to a muffler shop so they could fabricate something up for me.